Welcome, Arithmetic Ninjas, to question number 10. And this one, we've got an empty box at the start of the question, which we need to make sure we figure out what that is. So if we treat that empty box as a mystery number, question mark, we've got a mystery number question mark, we are subtracting 10, and out pops 298. Now the easiest way to do this is work backwards. If we're subtracting 10 to get 298, if we go backwards and add that 10 back on, 298 add 10, well, if you can't do that in your head, quick column method will get you the answer. 0 add 8 is 8, 9 add 1 is 10, put the 0 and carry the 1, 2 plus the 1 I've just carried is 3. So 298 add 10 is 308, and that is basically back to our question mark. So our question mark must be worth 308. Double check that it makes sense. 308, take away 10, 298, correct.